Okay, you ready to play with your toy? You guys, Bronx, you literally weren't playing with anything until just now. Oh my goodness. Done? Okay, I'm gonna start. Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Boxycharm for April 2021. I have Josie down here who, let me see if I can show you. There she is. She's being a little bit obnoxious right now. And then I also have Bronx back there who's playing with a toy that they got in the bark box, which I'll insert a picture of them unboxing it right here. You can see I wasn't here. I was actually at work when that happened, and my husband sent me that photo, and that was Josie. She opened it up, and I'm pretty sure she ate all the treats, and it was just an issue. So anyways, he's playing with that toy back there, so if you hear noises, that's him playing with I think it's a fried egg. Anyways, recentered the camera. I think it's better now. So like I said, we're going to be unboxing our Boxycharm. This is a $25 a month subscription. In here, we should have 5 full-size products guaranteed to be valued at $125 or more. If you are new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something is cruelty-free, I will do the research. It'll be displayed right here on the screen for you, as well as the value of everything. I'll add it up at the end, find out if we're getting a good deal or not, and if they meet that $125 guarantee. Okay, I think that's everything. Let's just go ahead and open up the box. All right, so when you open the box, it's like this. There's this little foam stuff right here, this black stuff that has things wrapped up to keep it safe and from breaking, which is interesting that they do that for this. I've ordered a couple things from the add-on sales that Boxycharm does, and both times I've done it, my item has come broken. I think I even have one sitting in here. Oh yeah, this one. I don't even think I've used it, but this came from their add-on sale. You can see it's broken right there. And then I also had something from Natasha Denona came also shattered, but they were able to replace that one. But just saying, it's interesting that they wrap this up nicely, but anything I order from the add-ons is literally just thrown in a box. There's no paper, no foam, no protection, anything. So keep that in mind if you ever order from their add-on sale. They could be different now, but I think the Natasha Denona thing I ordered was a bronzer. I got it like maybe 3 months ago. It wasn't that long ago, so just a heads up. Okay, anyways, this card right here is going to have the theme for the month, which is sweet treats. Very cute. The back side of the card is going to have everything we're getting, a little bit about each product and their value, so I'll be sure to mention that as well. Okay, let's just go ahead and put the first thing right on top here. This is the thing wrapped in foam. This is from Kinder Beauty. This is the Kinder Glow Highlighter Palette. Really cute packaging. I think I've tried, I want to say hand sanitizer from this brand, but it is cruelty-free, so let's see what their highlighter looks like. Okay, and then when you open it up, it's like that. Also very cute. It's like a baby pink with gold on it, and you can see it's reflective. You're fine, Jose. Okay, well this is interesting. So there's 3 highlighters in there that look very normal, and then there's this. It's got like, I don't know, it looks like freckled or something. It's very interesting. And that is the shade Angel, I think. You're fine, buddy. I'll go ahead and swatch these for you. They are a tad bit powdery. So there's all 4 of them on my hand. And I think you can see from this that they are a little bit powdery. Let's go ahead and, I guess, use my arm. So you can see, pretty decent. The brown color at the bottom is like not showing up that well, but everything else seems to be good. I'm personally drawn to this like champagne sort of one at the top. That's typically the sort of color of highlight that I use on a daily basis. So that's why I'm not really the biggest fan of highlighter palettes, because like I know the sort of colors I like. And so now I've swatched 4 of these, and I really only like this one right here. So there's that. The value on this is 15 bucks. So actually fairly affordable, I'd say, for a 4-pan highlighter. I don't think that's bad at all. So that's really cool. Okay, moving right along, I'm going to pull out the next item. These are some eyelashes, and this is the Monarch Lash Pack from Flirtatious Looks. It does have some sort of like applicator tool, it looks like, in there. Yeah, lash applicator. Oh, and there's 2 sets. Okay. So the top lash is called Baby Girl and the bottom is Charmer. I don't wear lashes, I'm not going to lie to you. I typically on an everyday basis wear glasses, and eyelashes to me just don't mix with glasses. They just rub against my eyeglasses all day. So I don't really wear lashes. I've worn them a couple times, but it's just not something that I'm really into. I don't wear lashes every day, even if I'm going out. I'm not going out right now. I'm just not into lashes. So I'm probably going to pass these on. They are valued at $38. I think that's really overpriced. You can get drugstore lashes for like 10 bucks. That's $40 for lashes. I don't care if it's 2 pairs. It's really overpriced in my opinion. And it's not mentioning anything about being cruelty free, so I'm not sure. I'll have to look into that. Okay, moving right along. The next thing I'm going to pull out is wrapped in plastic. This is a Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator from ELOISE. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. Sorry about the glare on that. I can't get it to not show. It does say cruelty free on the back though. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. So it's definitely just like a body highlighter. I do love how it looks. It looks really luxe. It's in a glass bottle. I'll go ahead and try some. I do actually like body highlighters, like on your shoulders or like on your, I think it's good for your, what's that called? Décolletage or whatever it's called, your collarbones. All right, I'm going to give this a couple pumps. Oh, a lot came out. Okay, so there it is just on my arm, and I'll go ahead and rub it out and see what happens. It feels very moisturizing, I will say. Like it feels like a lotion, honestly. It doesn't really have a scent, so that's good. I don't know if you can tell on my arm. You can see a little bit of sheen right there. So that's very subtle. I actually really, really like this a lot, and I'm excited to have it. I definitely will use that. We're going into, you know, summer and wearing a lot of tank tops and like short sleeves and stuff, so I'm excited to have that. I definitely will use that. Let me get a value. So the value on that is $38. I don't really think that's a terrible price, but I've only ever had one other like body highlighter, so I can't really speak to like the pricing of that stuff, so I'm not sure if that's a good price. It sounds like a decent price to me, but I'm not sure. Okay, moving right along, let's pull this out. This is from Studio Makeup, which I don't think, have I tried something from this brand? I feel like maybe I have, but I can't quite remember. It does say it is cruelty free. This is a tinted moisturizer, and I don't see a shade or anything on here. Honey Light, I guess, is the shade. Let's go ahead and open it up and see if Honey Light would be a good fit for me. I don't love this packaging. It looks very like medical, and I like with a foundation or something like to be able to see through and see the color. That's just me, and it's a pump too, so that's nice. I do like the pump part of it. It reminds me of like the It Cosmetics, the CC cream. Do I have one? Yeah, it's almost gone. The Bye Bye foundation. That's what it reminds me of. It's like the same exact thing. But you can see how that one's see-through, so that's nice. Okay, so I can't even get it off to like see if the color in there is good for me, so I'm just going to go ahead and start pumping and see what we have. So there it is, just pumped out onto my hand. I'll go ahead and we'll rub it in just to see if the color looks good. I will say it seems sort of thick for a tinted moisturizer. And it has some coverage on there. I'd say this is like a light coverage, but I think the color is decent. It went on, sorry. I'll have to try it more on my face though, just to see like, you know, what we're really dealing with. But initial impressions, it seems pretty good. I definitely will use that. Again, packaging could use some help. Okay, and so the full price of that is $35, which seems fairly on par with other high-end foundation prices. I don't know if that brand's high-end or not. I'm not entirely sure. I did mention too that has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's like skincare with tint to it. So we'll see. I'll give it a try and we'll see if I like it. All right, and we have one last item in here. This is from FARMACY, which is cruelty-free. This is the Honey Grail Ultra-Hydrating Face Oil. I love the packaging. I really like this brand a lot. I've tried a couple skincare items from them, and I've liked everything I've tried from them, so excited to try something else. Okay, so there is the bottle. It's just like, you know, a moisturizer oil. I really like oils for moisturizing. It doesn't really smell like anything. I'll go ahead and just drop it. It's going to feel just like an oil, though. Like, there's nothing really that's going to tell me anything about it, but we'll go ahead and rub it in and see. It does feel like a lightweight oil, which is nice. Some oils can feel super heavy and like pore clogging, but that feels nice and light, if that makes sense. So excited to try that. It's valued at $48. Well, that seems on par. Like, oils are just expensive in my opinion. I mean, I've paid $84 for a face oil, so $48 doesn't seem too overpriced. All right, so that's everything we got in this box. I'll go ahead and add it up real quick for you. All right, and everything in here added up to be $174. You can see that. Pretty decent value, I'd say, for what we got in here. I actually liked this box a lot. The only thing I think I'm not going to use for sure is the eyelashes, just because I'm not an eyelashes person. I think I'm going to use everything else in here. Everything was cruelty-free minus I have to research the eyelashes, so that's good. Pretty decent box, but I would love to know what you thought. So in the comments right down there, let me know what you guys thought of this box. And if you guys get the Boxycharm subscription, let me know what you got in your box. I like to hear what everybody else got. I know in this box you can pick, I believe, one item to be in here, but I never pick, so I didn't pick any of this. I did not know any of this was coming. So if you get this, let me know what you got in your box. Okay, I think that's everything for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more dogs, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.